Sniffing with AeroDump NG. With our wireless interface and monitor mode, we initiate our first sniffing session with AeroDump NG. We'll add the -C shorthand channel option to only capture traffic on channel 2 and specify our wireless interface. Once we execute the command, our packet capture begins. AeroDump NG fields. AeroDump NG presents a great deal of information while it's capturing. We can press the space bar to pause the output. The output is separated into two separate sections. The top portion provides information about detected APs, along with the encryption in use, network names, etc. The lower portion provides information about stations sending frames and the associated AP. The top line of the display, beginning at the left, shows the current channel, followed by the elapsed sniffing time, and the current date and time. It also indicates that a WPA handshake was captured for the AP. The ultimate goal of this utility is to capture a WPA handshake. The BSS ID is the MAC address of the AP. Power indicates the signal level reported by the card, which will increase as we get closer to the AP or station. Receive quality is measured by the percentage of frames successfully received over the last 10 seconds. Beacons indicate the number of beacons sent by the AP. Data indicates the number of captured data packets. If this is WEP, this indicates the unique IV count, including data broadcast packets. The number sign indicates the number of data packets per second, measured over the last 10 seconds. The channel number is taken from beacon frames. In some cases, frames from one channel may be captured on another channel due to channel overlap. MB is the maximum speed supported by the AP. ENC indicates the encryption algorithm in use. OPN, if it's shown, means there is no encryption. In this case, the detected security protocol is cipher. Auth indicates the detected authentication protocol. The ESS ID indicates the wireless network name. When an ESS ID is hidden, the display can be length and a number corresponding to the number of characters. Alternatively, the ESS ID may display 0 length, indicating that the AP is configured to hide the number of characters. In the lower station output, AeroDump NG presents a list of devices. Unless specified in the options, any station sending frames is listed in the station column. If the stations are connected to an AP, the BSS ID is displayed. If not, the field will show Not Associated. The rate indicates the last used rates between the client and the AP. The first number indicates the rate of data from the AP to the client, and the second indicates the rate of data from the client to the AP. Note that the rate column will only be displayed when we're locked onto a single channel. It won't be visible when channel hopping. The lost field measures lost frames originating from the client station. To determine the number of frames lost, AeroDump NG measures the sequence field of every non-control frame. There are a number of possible reasons for lost frames. Refer to your lab guide for more information about this. The frames field indicates the number of data frames sent by the client. The Notes field will indicate if the particular client has done a handshake or if it sees PMKID. This is because the WPA handshake message on the top line doesn't indicate which client performed the handshake. The Probes field indicates the ESS IDs probed by the client.